All right, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our science class for today, which is about Unit 6, Water and Air. Today, we will be having our last topic in science, which is about air. We are finished with water. This time, let's talk about air. For the vocabulary words, we have number 1, pollution. Can you say that? Pollution in Thai means? Next, we have burn. Burn means?
How?
And we have smoke. Smoke.
Smoke.
Okay. When we say pollution, it is making the environment dirty. Like for example, water pollution. Water pollution means making the water dirty. Example, air pollution, making the air dirty. Next, when you say burn, it means putting something or bringing something on fire that is burning. For example, burning the wood. It means you bring the wood, okay, on fire. Next is smoke. Smoke is the gas that comes out when you burn something, right? Like for example, when you burn your garbage, there will be smoke. When you burn your food, like you make your food hot, there will be smoke too. Okay. Now our topic for today is about the air around us. We will talk about uh, the different importance of air to people, to animals, and to plants. Another one is, what is air pollution? What are the different causes of air pollution? It means what do we do that could make air dirty? All right. First, what is air? Let us see a video about air. Yes, about air.
Hello again. Welcome to Learning K-12 channel. Today we learn about air. What do we need to turn off the candle? Yes, we blow air. Air is everywhere. We can't see it, but we can feel it when it moves. What is air? Air is a mixture of many gases and dust particles that surround the Earth. Why do we need air? We need air to breathe. Clean air has no smell or color. The most common gases in the air are nitrogen and oxygen. A small amount of other gases like carbon dioxide and water vapors are also present in the air. There are many uses of air in everyday life. Drying the clothes, making the fire, filling tubes used for swimming, flying kites in the sky, and filling the tire tubes of vehicles. Moving air is called wind. When the wind moves slowly, it's called a breeze. When wind moves very fast, it's called a gale. A gale or a storm is very destructive. The wind is a renewable source of energy. It can be used for producing electricity by windmills, transportation through sailboats,
Okay, now let us talk about air. Okay, can you see? Can you see those at home? Can you see?
yes,
Okay. Now, aside from water, air is also needed for life on Earth. It means without air, we will not be alive. We will die just like water. Without water, we will die. We will die, right? Same with air. Without air, we will also die. Air is very important for people, for humans, for animals, and even to plants. It means to living things. We could not survive without air. Clean air keeps us healthy as well as the plants and the animals. This one is an example of a carbon cycle. When you say carbon cycle, carbon dioxide, oxygen. From carbon dioxide, it will become oxygen. And then oxygen, it will become carbon dioxide. It is how air moves around us. Okay? So how does it work? We people breathe oxygen in. When we breathe out, it will become carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide will go to the plants and the plants will use them to make food. And then while they do that, plants are being able to clean the air. From carbon dioxide, the air will now become oxygen. And then the oxygen will release, the plants will release the oxygen. And then the oxygen will go to plants, to animals and humans. And then it will become carbon dioxide again. It will become oxygen again. That's how air is being recycled, right? With the help of plants, with the help of trees. Even the tiniest plant, even grass and small leaf, right? Even the smallest leaf can help in cleaning the air. Now, what people need is clean air only. We don't want any other air. We only want oxygen in our body, right? We only want oxygen. That's why we breathe out carbon dioxide because we don't need it. We need only oxygen. Okay? If the air has something else, for example, other kinds of gases, other chemicals, that one is not healthy for people. That one will not be healthy to animals and to plants too. Same with plants. Plants only like oxygen, right? Carbon dioxide. Plants like carbon dioxide in producing their food, right? If you put other chemicals, if you put other gases into the plants, it will not be healthy for them. Just like in humans, we get sick when we get too many chemicals in the air, right? Okay. Now, too bad, air can be polluted easily. When you say polluted, the air becomes dirty. Just like water, it's very easy also to make the water dirty, right? Now, that is called air pollution. Air pollution is when the air becomes dirty. All right, next. Air pollution can cause breathing difficulties and respiratory illnesses to people and animals. Because as what I said, our lungs need oxygen only. Our brain, our other parts of the body need oxygen only. The blood needs oxygen, right? If you have air pollution in your area, many people can become sick. And if you stay in a place where there is air pollution all the time, like always dirty, there will be a time that you will become very sick, right? Because your lungs will become sick. Okay. Now, air pollution can also hurt the plants that clean the air. As what teacher said, plants need carbon dioxide only and oxygen. They give out oxygen. They do not need any other gases. But when there's air pollution, it means there are many kinds of gases in the air. And plants absorb them. Plants get them, right? That one can damage the plant. That one can make the plant, it's like make the plant sick also. And then eventually can die. Now, what are the causes of air pollution? When you say causes, what do we do that makes the air polluted? First is too much car use. Remember, our cars use gasoline. Now, our cars have engines, the engine that could burn the gas. They burn the gas to make the car work, to make the car move. But while they burn the gas, the gasoline, the gas will turn into smoke. That's the smoke that you see that comes out of your cars, or maybe the trucks, the buses, right? It's because of the chemical in the gas. You will see some cars even have black smoke, very black smoke. It's because their gasoline has too much chemicals. When you use a gas like that, when you use gasoline like that, it could make the chemical get mixed into the air. A lot of bad chemicals. Okay, cars burn fuels and emit harmful smoke that causes air pollution. Next, what else can cause air pollution? This one first, burning of garbage. Remember, we should not be burning our garbage, especially if it has plastic and foam, right? Because plastics and foam have chemicals. They are made of chemicals. So when you burn plastic, when you burn the foam, the chemicals will become very small and will get mixed into the air, right? And then we will breathe the air in. It means the chemical from the plastic is now inside our body. It's like you put the plastic inside your body, right? Next is smoking. Smoking cigarette. Remember, cigarettes have chemicals also. They are made of chemicals. The black one, right? So when you smoke, you don't just put the chemical inside your body. You also spread the chemical around you, right? Because they smoke, they bring some chemicals inside their body. And then they will expel the smoke outside, right? That chemical will get mixed into the air, and then other people will breathe in the chemical too. That can make people sick, very, very sick, right? And very dangerous. So even if you are not the one who's smoking, if you stay near someone who's smoking, it's like you have the chemicals too, which is very bad. Next, using of harmful sprays. Using of harmful sprays such as the spray for insects, for mosquito, for cockroach, yes, a fly, or maybe the spray that farmers use for the insects that eat the vegetables. And also it's a spray that we use for the hair, or maybe the spray paint, right? Different kinds of sprays. Because sprays, these have chemicals. Since they are sprays, it's very easy for it to go to the air, right? And then chemicals will be in the air. There will be other gases in the air. Next is cutting of trees. This one Sasinop said cutting of trees. Why cutting of trees cause air pollution? How? Mm-hmm. We said trees are the ones that clean the air. headache, and you eat it first. We said that trees are the ones that clean the air. If you cut the trees, who will be the one to clean the air? No one, right? For example, can you clean the air for me? No. Only trees can give us oxygen, right? Now, only plants, even the small plants, only plants can give us oxygen. If you cut the trees, if you remove the plants, it means your place do not have any plants, any tree. There will be no one to clean the air. There will be full of bad air, like carbon dioxide only, carbon dioxide, other chemicals, no oxygen. And then later on, people will die. Animals will die, right? Especially when people cut the trees, the trunk. This one is the trunk, the body of the tree, right? When they cut this, the tree will die now, right? So that one, it will not have any leaves anymore. And the leaf is the place where oxygen is being made, where air is cleaned, is being cleaned. No, it's in the leaf. If you cut here, then this one doesn't have leaves. There's no place to clean the air anymore, right? Next is, since there are many reasons why people cause air pollution, there are even more and more and more, right? Like what else? For example, you use chemicals, you use machines in the factory, and then your machine needs cooking or burning of chemicals. The factory will produce smoke, right? That can bring the chemicals into the air, right? Now, we should always keep the air clean. When we keep the air clean, we keep ourselves healthy. We can make a better world because animals will be alive. Plants will be healthy. There will be more oxygen. No sick people because the air is clean, right? We will be healthy. All right, now let me show you the video.
Woo! Adapted Mind Math! Come explore the site with me. I'm in first grade, so...
Keep that view. I know you're doing something. You're not listening. You're busy with something. Sit properly. Sit properly. Do you know cancer?
Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Hmm. Ah.
They should be far from houses.
Ah.
Okay, now let us go to our Bluket game for today. Our Bluket game is very easy. We have, can you see it? Very easy. What's this? This one is called air pollution. This one, do or don't. Do or don't. No, very easy. You only have 5 questions. So what are we going to choose? Which one?
Fishing.
Hmm? Tower defense? Cafe? Fishing? Why you always like fishing? Why you always like fishing? Some students do not know how is tower defense. That's why they don't know how. There. Join. It's 379639. 39. Join quickly. Wait. My gosh. 379639. Eddie, there are only 10 players. Ready? Who's not yet here? Who? Always cannot join when he's It's okay. Even if you're late, you can still join even when you're late, right? Duh. No more. You always go to the toilet. Late. Pufferfish. I don't know the one with the big nose. Huh? What's it? Yeah, what's that? The one with the big nose. 4 minutes 20 seconds. That one. Where's the baby shark? Only octopus. Many octopus. And frogs. Oh, there, I saw a shark already. There. Three minutes. There, I see shark already. There, I see a shark. Ooh, the wizard got the shark. 2 minutes. Yeah, I see. There, sharks. One minute 30 seconds. Oh no. 50 seconds. Sharks. Oh, pirachat cut. Robini pa. There are many sharks now. 20 seconds. What's that? A dragon? Yeah, sharks. So many sharks. 4, 3, 2, 1, and Bitawin, Rawini pa, and Atikun. Okay, now. Okay, look at here. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Unicorn in the water, from the water. Okay, now for the live worksheet, can you see the live worksheet now? Okay. We have trees, cars, burn, air pollution, air. Number 1, blank is important for life. What is important? Air. Blank is when air becomes dirty.
Air pollution.
We should not blank our garbage.
Burn.
Burn. We should plant more trees.
Tree.
Using blank too much can cause air pollution.
Heart.
Cars. Next, is it a do or don't? Don't. Do or don't? Do or don't? Do. And done. Very easy. There. Answer now. Answer.